Ready for vlogception. Good afternoon, everybody. We have a friend here that would like to not say hi because he doesn't know I'm making him say hi, but Sam's still in the background here.
Doesn't matter which side?
I don't, it's just a reciprocating valve. So
currently doing the most loose, by loose I mean unhinged, speed build of a drift car ever. And it's not just like an average drift car. This is like a pretty high-end car owned by none other than the almighty Sam. Let me get around here. Dun 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 dun. I introduced him to the head torch. So they've put the reverse flow Garrett on with the R-Tech Manny, which is also reverse flow. How nice does that look? The PRP, everything. It's probably gonna be too late, but Sam asks, who has a
Who sent these baby turbos?
Who has a VCT solenoid for a Neo? Please bring one to the LZ World Tour, we may need a spare.
Oh, these are for the
You still have your head torch on, Sam.
Sensor. Huh?
You still got your head torch on.
What?
Your head torch.
Do I?
Yeah.
Have I been walking around with this the whole time? Oh my gosh.
Have
I been blinding everyone I look at?
Yep. Well, kind of.
That's slightly embarrassing. Alright.
Sam's checking out his goodie list from PRP.
Yep. I didn't even know you were vlogging. I thought you were on the phone.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. My camera's bigger than yours.
It is. I feel
It's also longer.
Okay, you win, you win.
Girthy.
Well, my thing has a bigger dead cat, so I'm yours is longer.
Mine's longer.
No fair.
Sorry.
Ah! Benjamin, I'm losing in the vlog wars.
It's the thickness that counts.
This is bigger, longer. I hope you guys are wondering what we're talking about. We're talking about the mic, these things
The
on the
mics,
ends.
yes, the mics. 100%.
They're dead cats, okay. Sam has just flown in from Japan this morning to help us out with his build.
Yeah, you can finally upload videos about this and tell the world.
Yeah. Well, it's not that I've been holding off, I've been catching up, which is kind of advantageous for yourself, so.
That's good then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's right, you guys will see it in real time on Sam's channel, and if you want to catch up on what's actually been going on in the several weeks before this day right now, you can go back and watch some of the previous vlogs on picking up the car, sorting out the car, pulling it all down and getting this motor all together and getting to the stage that we're currently at. We have roughly 4 days to get this car running, get the motor in. We have a lot left to go. We're waiting on some arms and a lock kit from Canada from one of Sam's sponsors. Once that rocks up, we have to do a cut and shut crossmember, which will be not tricky, but it'll be a bit of work, bit of cutting and welding and making some templates and stuff. But we can't get the motor in or the rest of the lock kit until that crossmember is done, so that's kind of really hindering us in terms of getting the motor and the gearbox and the clutch and getting that all in, getting the wiring sorted and getting it all hooked up, which is why you can see an empty bay right now. In the meantime, we're prepping up the motor.
That's cool, but I'm a little worried about it breaking off.
No, you'll find it. I'm just drawing.
Sorry, I don't know what's going on. I'm just building cars.
What's your favourite PRP component on your motor so far, Sam? You got all these cool pink bits.
The trigger kit for sure.
Trigger kit?
The trigger kit's just super cool because we do a 12-to-1, so we take the tooth off, and what that means is that if anything goes wrong here with this cherry sensor, it's very rare for cherry sensors to fail, but in case that we lose this, whatever fan like catches the wire, the whole engine will run off this alone.
Yeah,
and it's true, it knows where the crank is, so at all times, so that's the main thing. This is just a reference.
I'm so rad that PRP have jumped on board and have done everything in pink for you.
Yeah, we could literally like restart someone's heart with this coil pack. It's super strong. You want to test it?
I mean, kickstart my heart, baby.
That's so loud. Dude, that's the loudest little box I've ever heard.
Wait, it's... Huh?
It's just loud.
It's so loud, hey? It's
yo.
So loud. Oh, yo. I better shut the gate.
Wow, okay, I thought my car was dirty. You hear the turbo? Car wash wasn't open?
Car wash is up the street from my new house is not, it's like they wash your car.
Ah, yes. How is the new house, by the way? Good, bad, stressful?
It's so amazing. Oh, it's the amount of stress.
Hello. How you doing?
Oh, yeah. I'm good.
It's like David meets Goliath.
Long.
Yeah.
Tiring.
Do you want a ride to drive?
Do I want a ride to drive?
The only thing with this is it has a noisy center shaft bearing in the transfer case, but it's not broken. It's just noisy.
Yeah, I don't want to get.
Can
I
you
don't want to
fit?
get started anyway. Do I fit?
Oh, I want to know. Can Sam
actually,
fit?
You probably won't fit.
Nah, that's not true. This is like one of my dream cars.
That's kind of why I thought you might want to drive it, because you never had one, have you?
No.
Yeah. So this is 350 in all fours.
Does the speedo not work?
It does with the
fine.
dash. We've got an electric dash.
Power tune, right?
Yes. Yeah.
How's the legroom?
It's brand new clutch. It's just noisy because of the. Oh, you're talking about the dead bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the pedal.
That sucks.
Like, we can't get rid of it.
Always like these. You can't.
Well,
find
maybe
these
Sam.
don't exist in Japan at all.
Really?
Anymore. Yeah, they're gone.
bro, this
they
would
all
be-
got
Oh, man.
exported out
This
to
would
the
be so
UK,
fun.
to the UK and Australia.
Man, they're not
Yeah.
too common over here either. There's like 3 that I know of.
This is really nice.
Yeah, man. Like, I spent 12 grand on it before it went to. So basically, this was a giveaway car.
Uh-huh.
The winner won it.
Uh-huh.
Went to Vic.
Uh-huh.
Too much effort for him to get it on the road in Vic.
Mhm.
So he took the cash prize.
Mhm.
So now I've got it back.
Cool.
Yeah. It is sick. It's actually a fun car.
Can't believe how loud the thing was coming up the hill.
Oh yeah, it's just super long tail.
Yeah, I was like, I was like, yeah, these things are sick. ITVs, all that kind of stuff.
Oh bro, it's like I didn't get all the hype until I drove it.
Baby GDR, man.
Bro, so fast.
Yeah.
Like,
No,
do-
they're crazy.
Did you see the 33 GDR we gave away?
No, I didn't.
So it made 400 at the wheels, and this thing is way faster.
Yeah, this weighs half the weight too.
Power to weight.
By the way,
for the
also
win.
you're missing a 10 mil. That's gonna drive me insane.
let me just
point out all the information.
Oh, don't do that. Now I need a 10 mil.
gonna be able to sleep tonight.
Yeah, no, you.
I already am annoyed because they adjusted the throttle adjusters, and it's sitting at 2 grand idle now. You know, if
Dude,
you-
when you rocked up, I'm like, man, that thing idles higher.
yeah, well, because it's the twin throttle body, it's got 2 adjustment rods, and if you don't adjust them both the same,
Bro, welcome to 240Z Life. Twin SU carbs.
yeah.
Story of my life. Old school. No, that's not old school. Well, his is not old school. Mine's old school. I'm gonna shut up now.
A whole nother one at home, but I've got a box full of shit too.
Damn, we don't have a Series 2 throttle body. Do you have another throttle body? Just a Series 2 one? Oh wait, he's got boxes more? Why is Ben K the freaking RB hoarder? Any pieces of
Because we moved on.
No, I've got
We moved
3
to
more
JZ's. We didn't have this
bodies
problem
in here
anymore.
I've got.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Benny,
That one too.
Boom.
pop her on, go. Oh, that's good too, yeah. I mean, that's got an adapter, but we can just use this little bad boy.
And then you need a TPS. I've got 2. That's I think Series 1, and then that one on there is Series 2.
So I think that, and yeah, this is also your traction control because the motor turns on to shut off the throttle when your wheels are spinning. And this tells the ECU, hey, we're shutting down that. So this is a newer version of a. It's just a good TPS.
Yeah.
It's super
Well, that's
easy.
why I brought this one, because this is this is the good one. But
That's a good one too. Yeah.
yeah,
But this throttle body will save our butts.
sick.
So
And I don't know if you needed it, but it's gritty, and I was like, maybe.
nah, I don't think so. I think we're good. Because you have no idea how much to save this. So you saved
But
us
then
with
there's
2
all
things: a
loomed
throttle
here
body.
as well.
Yes.
Everything's complete. It's literally
Don't think we need anything off this one.
as I
This one we need
disassembled.
this, which is missing 1 bolt, which is interesting.
No, well, that's why I brought 2.
Okay.
This is this seat. It's got it here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we've still got bolts.
Yeah, they look to be
Any
identical.
plugs if you need. They are. They're identical.
Do you
That
know
one
what
is
time
split
it is,
because,
Benjamin?
Pizza time?
was a
Do you know what
forward-facing
time it
car,
is?
so obviously left the
Pizza
forward
time?
facing.
It is pizza time. It's pizza time.
Yeah, there's no wiring.
We're double checking the intake. I was going to fit up with some things and just doing some final little bits and pieces. Little drain. Nice and lined up. We've got the new fittings welded onto the flex pipe from PRP. Cool little piece there. This is, as Sam said earlier, the cleanest fuel tank in the history of all their chassis.
Oh, for real. Just not the cut above it for some reason. I don't know.
Grinder happy people. Very, very clean fuel tank. Thank God it's not rusty out. rusted out. That would have just been a nightmare to try and get that clean as well. We have so much left to do on the list and so little time to get it done in, but we are cracking away on things. Sam's been in here earlier checking all the wiring. We've got the tail lights working, indicators working. One of the relays for the hazards needs to be replaced. I've done the brake grommet so that the tail lights don't stay on anymore. We're diagnosing the ECU, but we need to grab a link ECU cable, hook it up to the computer, just to make sure that after 5-6 years of sitting it has not got any water damage or any issues with the tune, with the ECU, and then it'll be all good and healthy to hook up to this motor and then see where we can go with it from there. Sam has brought over a new Yesho factory harness, so this one's out of date as of 2022, but he's got a new one. He's got a beautiful new bride sitting here that he's brought from Japan that was in a box that should have been labelled Daiki-san. But that was pretty funny actually. And we've got some nice rails here as well, so it'll be going on very soon. We've got a lot of editing to do and not much time to do it in with a car to fix, so also really quick one, if this is not sold by the time you see this vlog, do hit me up, because please do hit me up. This is all Sam's old stuff that has to go. We've got yellow jackets for an RB20, we've got a 180SX cage, we've got a lock kit set up, so 25mm extended LCAs. They are drop knuckles, cut and shut. We've got hard race cast arms and hard race tie rods. Yo. But yes, nothing in my interior ever works on. Half the time they don't have a head unit. We've got an RB20 sump. We have old school automatic SR fascia and dash round. We have brand new Cometic RB20 NEO or RB25 NEO. I'll confirm that, sorry. Check the comments and I'll triple confirm that. But RB25 NEO head gasket Cometic hasn't been used yet. It's been opened and that's about it. We've got another one below it as well, which is like that graphite one. And then we got the airboxes and stuff, and there's a lot more left to go, but as you can see we're getting through it slowly and making sure that we don't need anything before we move it on. So yeah, if you do need some stuff, hit up my socials or hit up Sam, send him a message, but he's probably going to be very, very busy, so feel free to send me a message and we'll get it sorted out.
Yeah, the bowl doesn't fill up fast enough. How funny is that? The bowl can't fill up fast enough.
Okay, who's stuck on the hose? Oh no, that was the pumpy hose?
Oh, this is about to overflow.
Oh,
it's just
no bucket, quick!
Where? Just behind that pump. An emergency bucket if needed. Idiot.
You want some E85?
Oh, God.
You got E85.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we're pumping it out of the tank now.
No, that's about very 6 years. 6 years.
Fresh, just came out of the United pump. Look at that.
Of 2005.
So it's so funny that like it can't keep up.
Yeah, that's pretty funny. I am so happy that your tank is clean though.
I've never seen an S13 tank this.
As you can see, Sam's 200 SX is well underway, and we have a lot ahead of us. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't need to tell you to check out Sam's channel. You're probably already all over it. So
more importantly, like, comment, and share, subscribe on her content and channel. Perfect.
Catch you next time.
Wait, you gotta do the thing.
What's the thing?
This thing. Bye guys.
Hey!